Hello guys, today I have a digital multimeter by Kaiweets. It's the HT118A digital multimeter. I'm going to open it up. Here's the back of it, and it was made in China. And it can do up to 1,000 volts. Okay, here is the company that it was made by. Here is the user manual that they made. I'm going to get out the multimeter. I'll get the accessories out later. But I'm just going to take this out and get the batteries in it. Okay. Before I get the batteries out, I'm going to check and see if there's actual batteries in here. So there is some test leads. Oh, there's the batteries. Okay, here's the test leads that go into this multimeter. And here's the thermocoupler. So I'm just going to use some other batteries that I have over here. That were just, because I don't want to take these out of the package. But I'm just going to put these AA batteries in. I got a little screwdriver to get it out. Yeah, that should be out. Don't want to lose the screw, so I'm going to put it back in here. Take the back off. This actually is in one piece with the back of it. Okay, so now I'm going to put the AA batteries in. Okay, then I'm going to put the other AA battery in. And then I'm going to screw it back in. Okay, how do I put this back in? Pull that up. Put that down. I don't know, is it all the way down? This should work. Let's see if it actually fits like that. I don't know. Let's get this tiny screw out. See if it fits back in. Alright. It fits right back in there. Surprisingly. Okay, I'm back to get it back in. Until it gets all the way tight. You kind of do got to screw this in really tight. It doesn't feel like it's down. I'm going to unscrew it. Now let me just do it this way. Okay, now that should be good. It doesn't look like it's in all the way, but yes, it's definitely not in all the way. Emily, stop. Emily. Okay, now I just screwed it in the right way. It's getting really tight. Now I can put it down. Now it's in its off state. Let's take this covering off real quick. Put it over here. Get the screwdriver out of the way. And there it turns on. Let's try continuity after we put the leads in. Let's open up this bag of leads. Okay, these feel like pretty good leads. Now I'm just going to try and get these in here. How in the world do you put... Oh yeah, you got to take them off. What? Okay, now this is how you take them off. And then you push them all the way in. Got the black one right here. Take this cap off. And whenever I put these 2 points together, it should beep. Is that working? Okay, yeah, since... Okay, now it should be beeping. We can also take these things off. I think we can take these off. And then we can test the continuity that way. And yeah, they do that. Now I'm going to go test the resistance of something real quick. Okay guys, I have a resistor right here. And if I put both of the... it's saying that it's a 328. And on here, it says that it's a 330. So that is pretty accurate. 330. Okay, that's not... I was hoping the breadboard would work. That'll help it be in there. And it should pop up on the multimeter. It's saying 328 and it's a 330 ohm resistor. So that is for the resistor side. Let's try the capacitance side real quick. I think I'm on the right setting for capacitance too. So let's just think that's the right thing. And let's just plug this one in. Let's see what this is. I don't think I can put it in the breadboard. Pretty sure the smaller one is negative. So I'm going to try and spread out the legs a little bit. And I need to turn it the other way. I don't even know. Okay, we'll try this later. That did not work as I thought it would. Let's just do this. Oh no, I need to be on this setting. This is right now saying 49 and it's 100. $212. Yeah, that is 111, yes. So this is a 100 microfarad capacitor. And that's what it just told me. Yeah. Okay, that is going to be it for this review. This is the type of stuff that I'm going to be using this meter for. DC current and Yeah. Yeah. What? Okay. Okay, right now I'm gonna test the display. See how it works. Whenever you're actually looking at NCCV live wire, we're gonna try and do that and see what it does. Okay, so now I'm looking at the light switch. If I go up to it, it's gonna say live. And I'm gonna turn it off. And it can see if things are live. So now that light switch is live. Okay guys, I was just looking at this paper, and right here it says AC or DC, and right here it can do both. It can do AC or DC. As you can see on the meter, it's hertz, voltage, hertz, millivolts, and right here is the hertz, percent, and here's the resistance, continuity, and diodes. Here's the capacitance, here's the Celsius in Fahrenheit, here's the microamps, and here's the milliamps, and here's the amperts, and here's the NCCV live. This is how you can see if things are live. Okay, right now I'm gonna test a LED diode. Gonna turn up the display. And right here is the positive side of the LED, and right here is the negative side. I'm going to try and do this without being in the way. Let's stretch the LED out so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, now I can do negative and positive side of the LED. Right now it's giving me ohms, and I have no idea why. Okay, that should have made the LED light up a little bit, but I don't know. Okay, that works. I tested capacitance, resistance, and I haven't tested diodes yet, but it did give me the ohms and kiloohms. So I would recommend this multimeter. It's a very good multimeter for people who are just getting started. I do like the display. Right now I'm in milliohms. I can change to what I want to. Like if I want ohms, voltage. Okay, now I'm on diode mode. That was a mistake on my part, because I wasn't in the right mode, or the function of the mode, or whatever it's called. But whenever I start this up, you see the LED. Yellow is probably not a good LED to do. I'm going to do another one. That's actually white. It'll light up white. And let's test out this LED and see how it works. Okay, now if I put these two together, did I put them the right way? Yes, I did put them the right way. It's lighting up a little bit for me, so right there it's telling me the voltage it needs. So I would say it needs 3 volts. Okay guys, thank you for watching this multimeter review. This is my first ever multimeter. And I thank the people that sent me this for sending me it. And thank you to Kaiweets for sending me this. I've been wanting a multimeter for a long time. And this is a very, very good starter multimeter. It's very, very good. It even has a backlight, so you know. So if you're in the dark, you can see the display. But if you're just looking at it with light over it, you can see it just fine. And I like the feature of the NCV Live, that it can detect mains voltage, and that's pretty cool.